Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. You're gonna grab your 15mm wrench and you're gonna grab your oil filter wrench. You're gonna come here. This is the drain plug. It's 15mm. Come here. Right there. After it's loose, just gonna come here. It's loose now. Oh shit. It's loose. Sometimes you gotta hit it a little bit more. Now it's finger loosening. Come here. Tight. Make sure the drain plug lined up. Come here. Open it. Now how I like to do it so the oil change go faster, I take my oil filter wrench while that's draining. Oil filter right here, as you can see. Gonna take the oil filter wrench, gonna hit it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. As you can see, somebody put it on way too tight. Remember guys, these oil filters don't have to be that tight whenever you're putting them on. Hold on, I gotta sit y'all down. This almost done draining. As you can see, I like to hit my oil filter too while that's draining, so the oil change is much faster. You don't have to do it like that. You can do it one at a time, but it's just how I like to do it. And come here. It's the paperwork right here. Paperwork say 2500. It's also a tire rotation on this vehicle. 2500 for the oil filter. Come here. I like to take a little bit of this old residue oil. Guys, whenever you're taking off these oil filters, make sure the gasket is on the oil filter as well, so that you don't double gasket, so that it's not leaking oil. Whenever you start it up and you put your new oil in, remember, the oil filter don't gotta be that tight. Just hand tighten it down just enough. Come here, you're gonna put your drain plug back in. Just like that. Oil filters in, drain plugs in. How I like to do it, take a little brake clean. Take a little brake clean. There's some right here, luckily. Take a little brake clean. I like to clean it off, hit it with some brake clean so that the customer won't think that their vehicle is leaking oil. Cut this right here. When I bring it back, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the oil light.